Good morning, respected principal sir and all my dear teachers. Firstly, happy Teachers Day to you all. As we all know, we have gathered to celebrate Teachers Day online. Let me take this opportunity to thank all our teachers who have been working very hard to teach us online. Taking education to the next level this year may have given us tough times, but our teachers have surely been a ray of hope. From guiding us to motivating us, this year our respect for teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it has been challenging for each and one of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have been supported us throughout and help us to cope up with online classes and tests. In these tough times, I would like to thank all the teachers on behalf of each and every student for your unwavering support. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. As Teachers' Day is celebrated every year, I would like to take this opportunity to talk about the history of Teachers' Day and why we celebrate it. Every year, Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September. The day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was an Indian scholar. He was also the second President of India from 1962 to 1967. The fact behind celebrating Teachers' Day on September 5th is, once he was asked by his students to celebrate his birthday, he simply replied and said, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day." His birthday was then declared as Teachers' Day to acknowledge all teachers. Since 1962, 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. This is an opportunity to pay tribute to our teachers for their selfless efforts. We should show the gratitude to our teachers who never considered us less than their own children while teaching us and guiding us. They inspire us and motivate us whenever required. They are the ones who prepare us to tackle the tough situation in our life at early stage with their knowledge and patience. Hence, on this special day, make it more memorable by showing the gratitude to teachers. My dear teachers, we will never forget you in our life wherever we are. We are always thankful and grateful for all your efforts. Last but not least, I would like to end my speech by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's quote, "The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers." Thank you and have a nice day.